The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hardee County in central Florida, northeastern Manatee County in west central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mayaca City, or 22 miles west of Wauchula, moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Duet, Mayaca City, and Mayaca Head. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Hardee and Manatee.